Last week I spoke about a literary style called magic realism. This week I'll delve into another literary style which is called epistolary. So, what is epistolary? Epistolary is a literary style where a story is conveyed through documents, primarily letters, but also blog, text, messages, and voice notes in modern versions. The epistolary form, storytelling through letters, documents, diaries, dates back to ancient times where real letters were used to convey stories and emotions. However, as a literary technique, epistolary only found its footing in the 17th century. The first known epistolary novel was Love Letters Between a Nobleman and His Sister. This was written by a woman named Afraben. She was also one of the first women to earn living by writing. After Afraben, the epistolary form really took off in the 18th century, becoming one of the most popular literary techniques of the time. One of the most notable authors who expanded this form in the 18th century was Samuel Richardson. He used this technique in his novel Pamela, where the entire novel is written in the letter form from a maid to her parents. This book was seen as the first true English epistolary novel to gain major success. His another work, Clarissa, went on to become one of the greatest epistolary novels in the English literature. After the early pioneers, many of the classic and contemporary writers went on to use this technique in their writings. Some of the notable names that I can think of are Mary Shelley, who used this technique in Frankenstein. Then there is Bram Stoker, who used it in Dracula. Then there is Alice Walker, who used it in The Color Purple. Then there is Jane Austen, who used it in Lady Susan. Then in contemporary writers, I can think of Ocean Wong, who used it on Earth We Are Briefly Gorgeous. Then there is Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney. The recent one that I read was a murder mystery by Kara Hunter, Murder in a Family. So why do authors use epistolary form? Authors use this form because it gives direct access to deep, unfiltered emotions of their characters, their secrets, their desires, their hopes. It also allows for multiple narratives, multiple character perspectives. Thirdly, epistolary also allows for non-linear timelines, fragmented memories, and reveals hidden over time. So that's all about epistolary literary style. If you have read any novels in this particular style, do let me know in the comment section.